Good evening, Ron here at Ron's Sea Corner. Now I've just checked the forecast and she's no good for diving. But what we can do is repair a spear gun. Now this here is the Omer Cayman, a very good gun, but it does have a weakness. And that weakness is right here, right on this loop. Now I've had at least 4 independent reports of this point here breaking away, thus losing your whole gun. So stick with me and we're going to repair this so it's damn near indestructible. Now this is quite an easy operation, but I have got a specialized tool which is essentially a screwdriver cut short. The screwdriver is 4mm in diameter and it makes it perfect to do this job here. So what we need to do first is elevate the gun so as we push the pin through, that the pin's got somewhere to go. We're just going to grab that screwdriver and, strangely enough, another screwdriver. Now although this may seem somewhat unprofessional, I find using a hammer too much momentum, and if I get it wrong I'm going to wreck something. So just get that in position. Now I'll have to cut this one off, we'll have to redo that knot. Okay, now I've got the handle removed and I want to feed this string up through here and back down again. But in order for that to be a success, I need to make a groove here and a groove here. Otherwise it's going to be too tight to fit that handle back over that part there. So that's my next job. Groove there, other side the same, and then we'll cut that off just to get it out of the way, put the assembly back together and take it from there.
Now we only want to make enough for the groove of the string. We don't want to compromise the strength of the handle in any way, any more than we have to at least. Okay, so that's looking good, nicely tucked into that groove, flush with the handle. Now in order for the string to come out, I drilled 2 holes at the base of the handle. Here I'm just doing a fisherman's knot, very basic but also very reliable and nice and small.
Okay, so that commences our repair on the Omer Cayman. Now stay tuned for my next video. We'll be doing something with the front of the gun. Thank you for watching.